Yes people, as you can see by the title of this video, so I've gone and fitted an electric number plate shutter to my Audi. So whilst we're here people, let me just briefly explain why I've done this modification to my car. So if any of you guys watch my videos, you will notice obviously when I'm doing like certain visuals of my car or whatever it is I'm doing to my car, I block out the number plate. Have the number plate blocked out and track where the car's going or whatever angle I'm standing at or moving. Yeah, it is very time consuming and it is long. Obviously all the editors out there would know this. So I put this on my car purely just to save time on the editing when it comes to this, really and truly. So where I live is mostly private roads and stuff. If it's a public road, then it's a different situation. If I'm trying to do this all on a public road, yeah, it can be a bit of a problem. But there it is, really short and brief reason why I've done this modification. So what I'm going to do before I get into the video, I'm going to ask you guys to please like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. Comment below, I want to hear your thoughts on this modification. I know some people might like it, some people might not like it, and some people might not care. It's always good interacting with you guys through the comments and stuff. That's it. We're going to jump into the video now without any longers. Let's get straight to the video. So this is what we're going to be fitting today. But before we install this, we're obviously going to test it out first. Make sure it's all working good and proper. Then we're going to go for the install. You've got the front plate cover, the back plate cover as well. And also you got your main power outlet. Obviously you've got a fob there that will sit on your key ring. And then you've got your connectors. Pretty simple really, but it's just the only thing that should be a bit challenging is trying to thread the front one through the engine bay into the cabin. The back should be pretty easy. But yeah, let's see how we get on.
Okay, MB12 and LED, so this LED one. Yeah, and then you've got this one here.
And let's go to the indicator. Sick. So yeah, it works fine.
Yeah. That's where we want to go through. Right there. So I'm not sure. I'm trying if I can get my hand there. I wonder if I can poke. I want to poke something through, but I don't want to hit anything. Yeah, that is the spot. It's just how am I gonna feed that bloody thing through?
straightforward first time. The bit we thought was going to be the most challenging turned out to be the easiest bit. So now we're just trying to thread it through to the front past the radiator and the fan. So yeah, stay tuned, peeps. People, so the front end of the car is now done and complete. The wire has been laid from the cabin through into the engine bay right to the front of the car, passing the fan and the radiator. So what we're going to do, we're going to start laying the wires from the front all the way to the back, and then from the back we're going to do it up into the boot lid. We're going to run it through the rubber tube where the rest of the wire loom runs up, and once it's in there we're going to have to put the number plate on the back. I mean, I'm not concerned about the length. The wires from the back of the car is like 5 meters. The wire from the front was 2 or maybe 3 meters. Obviously the S3 is not that big of a car lengthwise. I know bro was a bit unsure with length, but there's going to be more than enough to play with. So yeah, all should be good. But you know people, as I said before, if you like videos like this, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff. So let's get on, stay tuned. a whole lot of threading going on, so obviously we've had to thread it through from the front down up into the back, up here, through the tube, up into the boot lid, and then obviously up, and then where it will come, it will sit somewhere along here. So then now we have to flip in, mount this, then get it all connected. So yeah, getting there slowly but surely.
People, so there you have it, electric number plate shutter fitted to the S3. As I said before, it's solely for the purpose of saving me time and effort when it comes to editing the videos. If you watch my videos, you know I block out my plates and stuff like that. Having this modification on my S3 will save me a whole lot of time. I'm not trying to dodge ULEZ or things like that. ULEZ, I ain't got to worry about that. My car's fully ULEZ compliant. So for people thinking, oh, he's trying to do this and trying to dodge that, I'm not on that. So people, if you like videos like this, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff, people. Also, as well, I want to shout out bro for the install. Always there to help me out, so big up yourself. So catch up on the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, peace.